984-foot-long Master Blaster water slide. Let's see how many drops. Studio City Indoor Water Park, Macau. This is the world's first looping Master Blaster water slide, where the end is also the beginning.